that's what we're sticking with. So I really didn't have to take that off, but it's off, so. Hey everybody, it's clutch time on the XMR 850. We got the new, or new used CVTech Primary we're going to put on. We're going to take this off. Everybody's been wondering in the last videos, I don't know if you've seen the videos, hopefully you have. The belt has been squeaking like crazy. They thought it was ready to blow. We got the cover off. Belt looks perfectly fine. So we're gonna have a better, closer look at it. I'm gonna change it out anyways, but we're gonna get at this now. We got this all off beforehand because you don't need to see that. We've seen that many times. All right, I'm gonna loosen the belt off. We got Mark here. Say hi, Mark.
How you doing?
Over here.
Oh, there.
Got a couple cameras going. So we're going to be changing the primary out for the CVTech, and then the secondary is going to get a newer, heavier spring, the gray spring. Right now I think there's a yellow Dalton in there from the Dalton Kit that I had on here. All right, there's good old squeaky. All the threads look good. Everything looks really good on it. That's going to be an excellent second spare belt. Probably needed to sand these up a bit, but they're coming off now anyways. So belt's off. There we go. Should come out a bit. There we go. There's the old clutch. It's got the Dalton Kit and the Dalton spring in it. And you can go in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got the Can-Am puller. Pull the second half off. All right. There's the clutch, inner sheath. Can-Am puller, Can-Am clutch. We got the CVTech here. We got the little reducer. And that just she's all set up. I can't remember what Sean said, but it's all set up for the XMR. All right. Putting blue Loctite on, brand new bolt. And now we got to torque that sucker too. So it says we got to torque this thing 70 to 80 foot-pounds. So I'm going to go 75 on this. We're going to have to hold this somehow, I think. Make sure that's the right one. Yeah. 19 mil. All right, there's the click, 75 foot-pounds. New bolt, Loctite. I'm going to put a little bit of green on there so when I check it again I can tell if this thing's moved. And that should be it for the primary. And we got to do the secondary. And I'm going to change out this, I'm going to put a new bolt in. Should always put a new bolt in with the secondary anyways, because everybody everybody seems to have them back out on them. I never had it backed out and I put a new one in. Okay, so I got the black. So right now we got the black Dalton spring in there. We're going to change that out for a gray, I believe. We'll see what the difference is. Okay, I got these two springs here. This is the Dalton one that came out. This is the one that I got from Sean for the secondary, but I don't know if it makes a difference that there's no pins on the end. Like the black has the pins and the gray doesn't. And I also noticed that, take a little gauge here, and that just slips on, and it's much tighter on the black. So the black is a little tiny bit beefier, and the black isn't that old, and it still looks pretty good. I think we're just going to try the black, leave the black in there. All right, after doing a bunch of research and stuff, I'm going to stick with the black spring. It's a torsion spring, and this thing's meant for torsion springs, so that's what we're sticking with. So I really didn't have to take that off, but it's off, so I'm going to put a brand new secondary bolt in, Loctite, and then, like I say, this torsion spring, so you got to get it in the hole, and she's in. So we have to go in, and then we have to turn to get the helix in there. So that's a pretty good spring on there. Yeah. All right, now we just got to torque her down. Just gonna mark these up with a green paint marker so I know that it's not spinning on me. Okay, putting on a brand new Maverick belt. Same one I had on before, 280-364 is the number. So we're gonna have a nice brand new, start out with a nice brand new belt this year. Okay, once again, make sure you got the direction, rotation, forward. I'm not gonna do a video, this is good. Alright, see how this goes. Perfect. Looks good. A little noisy, but that's what the CVTechs do. Make a lot of noise. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you later, guys.